So, guys, today we're going to discuss about the ServiceNow uh, training details. Okay, so here, so we are going to discuss ServiceNow admin and as well as development also. Okay, so here this is the course content. Okay, which we are going to cover. So under this administration, we have a different types. Okay, so whatever the concepts which we have under service now. Okay, so all those concepts will be involved under this course schedule. Okay, so these are the contents. Okay, so day by day, each and every content I was mentioned. Okay, as per the schedule. So I've just mentioned as of the, it's a 22 days program. Okay, so it will take around 30 days of the program. Okay, only for admin. So the remaining part we have a development. Okay, so under the service now, usually we have a service now JavaScript. We will use it. Okay, so this JavaScript also will be covered as a basic sessions. Okay, like 2 to 3 days, this JavaScript sessions will be covered. So once that is done, the service now development point will be started. Okay, so here we will cover each and every method. Okay, whatever which is involved under service now APIs. Okay, so every topic will be discussed in a point of real time manner. Okay, so today I'm going to start a list and forms. Okay, and incident management, or else a data lookup, or else any change management. Okay, so usually the concept will be generally in other sessions. Okay, a concept will be covered. Suppose let us take another example like update sets. Okay, so I'll going to discuss an update sets. Okay, the topic will be completed. So once the topic is completed, we are also going to discuss about the topic related real-time discussion as well. Okay, so this is one of the most important area. Okay, so then only you will get to know in which scenarios we will going to use the respective topic. Okay, so then you will get to know this is where usually the discussions will be started. Okay, so even you will understand purely about the topic as well. Okay, so when we are discussing a point of real time. Okay, and also I'm a working professional. Okay, so by any chance if I see any issues in general in the topic wise. Okay, so even those things also will be discussed during the session. Okay, so and also in general in an organization, so suppose if you guys are very new to the service now. Okay, so at that time you are not sure about these upgrades. Okay, and cloning activities as well. Okay, so these topics also will be discussed, and upgrades is also will be discussed end to end. Okay, so what is the process from starting, okay, before prerequisite is, after prerequisite is, so everything will be discussed in detailed manner. And also we'll also discuss about the cloning process as well, types of clones. So okay, so how we are going to clone the different instances here. Okay, so all these topics will be discussed in this admin and development program itself. And also we have included a automations as well, flow designers, workflows. Okay, workflow studios we have, even integration hubs we have, even we have a subflows as well. Okay, so all these topics also will be discussed in this course content. Okay, so also we also provided a real-time scenarios as well. Okay, I'm having I prepared with my own self. Okay, around 30 scenarios I prepared for ITSM. Okay, ITSM along with the admin and development. Okay, so even those topics also will be shared with you guys. Okay, so you can see I'm just giving you general details. Okay. So this is one of the story. Okay, so the story means how a organization, suppose if you are deployed once you placed in a respective organization. Okay, so you will get a implementation activities in a point of stories. Okay, so all those implemented the content or whatever your client is required. Okay, so they will share like this requirement. Okay, so then you need to understand how this can be implemented. So how you can implement with the help of the topics which we have discussed. Okay, So based upon the requirement, you need to understand which topic that I can relate to this requirement. So then how can I start the requirement? Okay, where can I start the requirement? What is the procedural that we need to do it? Okay, what are the acceptance criteria? Suppose if you got any question, okay, so if you feel somewhere it is get stuck, correct? So at that time, how you need to reach out to your client? What is the way that you can ask? So everything, okay, everything will be discussed in a detailed manner, okay. So I'll be discuss usually up to 5 stories, okay. So remaining stories I'll share you with you guys, okay. You only need to start work on these things, okay, because this is completely comes under real time. But I'm not going to we are not going to charge anything separate for this, okay. So because it's a content which is add on for your administration along with development activities. Got it? So here we are going to discuss one module as well, ITSM. Okay. Yes, and also I'm going to teach HRSD as well. That's a separate thing. Okay. So if you guys wanted to opt this one, okay. So there is a separate activity we have. So once this admin and development will be completed, right? So then you can check this one. Even we are also going to provide an integrations as well, end-to-end integrations. Okay, how the systems work with the different type of platforms. Okay, suppose let us take an example with the service. Okay, ServiceNow is going to integrate with the Workday. Okay, so what is the procedure? What are the types of APIs that we're going to use? What are the types of methods that we need to implement? What are the scripting type of activities that we need to use? So those things also will be added under these integrations. Integrations is one of the most demanded topic nowadays. Okay, so without integrations, we cannot survive in ServiceNow development activities. Any doubts?
Srinivas, so instead of HRSD, so we are looking at the ITOM, so Saikat from this side. So Arnav is actually facing some power outage issues. He is going to join. Okay. So we are looking for the like ITOM instead of HRSD. So is it possible for you to cover the ITOM, CMDB servers, as well as
No, no,
CMDB
because no,
databases,
no,
CMIs?
I'm not part of ITOM. Okay, I'm not part of ITOM, so I'm not going to teach it. Hello.
Yes, yes, understood. And your whole using ITSM and HRSD, how many days it will take
Sorry,
down?
your voice is breaking. Seems.
I think combining
Yes,
the
yes, you're audible.
hello. Yeah, so my question is using combining ITSM and HRSD, how many days, like including the development part also,
HRSD,
how many days?
I'll not going to be included. Okay, so because nowadays I was getting stuck with the multiple activities. Okay, so if a batch is fulfilled with the number of, okay, so like more than 5 to 7. Okay, so at that time only I'll going to include HRSD, because the HRSD will take around 15 to 20 days of time. Okay, so if you're going to opt this entire activity, okay, so it will take more than 2.5 months, approximately 2.5 months it will take. Okay, so yeah, I think మీరు తెలుగే కదండి.
I'm sorry.
You're in Telugu or like
No, no, no. We are not updated.
okay, okay, no problem. Okay, so usually na as I said again, I'm sharing my screen. So you can see here. So I was saying the separate development concepts, right? So these are the actually it will comes under a real-time program. Okay. So earlier I'm going to charge around 15,000 for this real-time scenarios as well, because no I'm added a HRSD as
Mhm.
well. Okay. ITSM under 30 scenarios, and HRSD I prepared for 20 scenarios. Okay. So,
Hmm.
suppose as a candidate, if they are completed HRST and ITSM, okay, so definitely they're going to manage their work from their side itself. Okay, that is how these stories are getting in depth. Okay, got it. So this is a separate way that I was designed, but nowadays I'm not able to getting that much of time. Okay, so that is the reason I'm providing all these things as a free of content without any charges. Because at
I
least
mean,
candidates like feel like they will, some people they'll also wanted to think about the real time as well, correct? So
yes.
but they need to get in an extra charge, but instead of that if I am planning admin and development along with that free scenarios, okay, so I thought like students will come in a easier manner, so that is the reason I was not adding this as a part. Okay, so even I was saying like around first to one to five stories I'm going to give an example, so remaining stories they will only need to done from their side.
Okay.
So
So
usually
basically, how actually you are going to plan, like for daily basis or for weekend perspective? Like,
daily basis, okay, so Monday to Friday, Saturday and
mhm.
Sunday the sessions will not be available. Okay,
In
I can
nine
plan
weeks, I think.
Saturday and yeah, Saturday and Sunday as well I can plan. Okay, so but based upon the strength I need to uh, do that.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, understood. Okay.
Because no, I'm also handling interviews as well. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
as well as support also I'm doing. Okay, along with this training, so I also need to work as well, right?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Yeah. So that is the reason.
So
Mhm.
within 45 days, the ITSM and development part will be completed, right?
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay, understood.
Mhm.
And if we need to do the HRSD part, then another 15 days it will require. But that also up to the strength of the batch, like how many people are going to
Exactly.
join.
Exactly. Correct.
That's
So for
so.
HRSD, that would be altogether different, okay? Because
Mhm,
in this package, I haven't discussed as of now any package, right? So, but the
mhm,
package is like
mhm,
I'm going to charge 15,000, okay? So
mhm,
I think I had a discussion with Sandhya. So I think Sandhya
mhm.
might get in touch with you about that point as well, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Sandhya is part of
Yes,
your team?
yes, sure. No, no,
No, I'm okay, okay. So Sandhya will be discussed about
no.
package point of view.
We just connect. Yeah, we
Okay.
just connect her to have a class. Yes, yes.
Mhm. Okay, so I think you are
Okay.
completely a
Then
different
whatever fees is
institute. Am I
actually
right?
required and all this thing, we will get clarification from Samia. Like, okay.
No, no. One moment. One moment. You are from a different institute. Am I correct?
I will issue actually.
I
We
can see
connected in
like it's a
website.
DevOps net, so that is the reason.
So there's an email ID actually. I can't change myself right now. Using that email
Achha,
ID, I have
achha.
joined.
Your good name?
Saikat Das. So me and my friend Arnav is actually going to do this class with for the ITSM and development. But unfortunately,
Okay.
he is actually getting a power cut issue in his area, so he is unable to join. Initially, he have joined.
Okay. Fine. Actually, Arnab is already joined my session. Okay. So earlier,
Mhm.
I think in a 2 days back. Okay. So he has reached out to me on Urban Pro,
Oh,
and so he connected one class. Okay.
okay.
Not sure what is the issue.
Mhm.
So you guys can discuss and let me know. Okay. So I'll definitely give you these scenarios and all these points. Okay. So definitely you'll
Mhm.
get benefit. By
Mhm.
any way, I think